In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert an image file into a PDF using Google Drive and Google Docs. This is a simple yet incredibly useful trick that anyone should have in their toolbox, especially if you're dealing with a variety of file formats and need a quick conversion solution. So, let's dive right in and see how this can be done effortlessly. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Drive. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to input your credentials. Once in Google Drive, the next step is to upload the image file that you want to convert. This might be a JPG or PNG file, depending on your requirement. You can easily upload your image by either dragging and dropping it directly into Google Drive, or by clicking on the New button at the top left corner, selecting File Upload, and then choosing your desired image file from your computer. After your image has successfully uploaded to Google Drive, it's time to move to the next step, which involves some quick maneuvering. You need to right-click on the image file that you just uploaded. When you do this, a menu will appear, and you will select Open With. From the additional options that appear, choose Google Docs. What this does is create a new Google Docs document containing your image within it. Think of this as the main canvas where you'll prepare your image for conversion. Inside this newly created Google Docs document, you can go ahead and drag, resize, or reposition the image to suit your preferences. You might want the image to take up the full page, or maybe you just need it to fit a specific section. The choice is yours. This flexibility allows you to customize how the image will appear once it's converted into a PDF, giving you control over the final output. Once you have your image aligned perfectly in the Google Docs document, you're just a few clicks away from getting your PDF. Head over to the File option in the menu bar at the top of the screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, hover your cursor over Download and look for the PDF document (PDF) option. Selecting this will initiate the download of your file, now freshly converted into a PDF format. And that's it. You're done. You've successfully transformed your image file into a PDF using nothing more than Google Drive and Google Docs. This method is not only quick, but also requires no additional software, making it a convenient option for just about anyone. Whether you're doing this for professional work or a personal project, this process can save you time and headaches, offering a straightforward way to handle file conversions. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful.